Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Guys, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Aries. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. And one card from the Oracle Guidance, the Crystal Spirits Oracle. So that will be a gentle guidance what we can follow every day, guys, Aries. So let's see what are these cards first. So it is 6 of cups, queen of swords, and ace of swords. So Aries, today in your situation, guys, you are making some important decisions, something based on truth. So it is quite difficult for you because the decision you are making, it is based on the truth in your heart, and it is maybe for some of you it may affect the people you love. So your decision is affecting someone, so that may lead to some kind of a worry for you. So you may be worried because you are making those truthful decisions, but it is really tough on someone. And you are a person who is honest, you have that knowledge in your situation, and you are able to perceive things clearly for yourself and for the people you love. So you people come to you for guidance and support. Maybe you have a huge experience, so you have that accurate perception of your situation, and you know what you need to do in any particular situation to proceed in a positive way. So you have that knowledge. And I also see that you are maybe for some of you, you are sharing your memories, your past success or past failures, maybe with the people you love. You are spending time with your friends or family, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Aries. Let's see what is the card for your relationship first. So we have Knight of Wands in reverse. So, in your situation today, guys, in your relationship, you are in this connection with this person. Maybe you have love, you may feel that you have that understanding, but there are lots of quarrels and stressful situations in this connection. So, you have frustrations. Uh, you have a lot of frustrations in this love, guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys. So that compatibility is not there in this connection. So let's see what is this card. Ace of Pentacle for your career. So you may be getting some new opportunity in your career situation, Aries. Something coming, simply taking you by surprise. Something pushing you towards that positive abundance and prosperity in your life, guys. And it is taking you closer to your dreams and goals. So that is what I see with these cards, Aries, for your oracle guidance. We have Numite. So this crystal, it stands for that inner power, understanding our own self, guys. So when we understand ourselves, when we understand what are our skills, what are our talents, and what way we should proceed in life, understand the positives and the negatives we have in ourselves, and proceed in a positive way in our situation, practice till we reach those goals, practice the right way to speak, behave, and act. So when we go for that, we will be able to do things in a right way, guys. So this crystal uh, points out to those aspects that we have. Maybe we neglect those aspects we have, but still we have to embrace those qualities we have in a loving way. So we will shine beautifully, guys, in life. So that is the reading with this card, guys, Aries, for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.